Can't hear the ring on Android? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Next, what you simply have to do is scroll down and tap on sound and vibration over here. As you do that, here you can see the adjust volume option available over here. There are media, ringtone and alarm. As you can see, the volume for the ringtone is extremely low over here. So now in order to make it here, what you can simply do is maximize it to the maximum so that you can hear the ringtone on your Android. You can increase the volume for your media as well, and then you'll be able to hear the ringtone on your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.